Hello friends, welcome to our Beyond Medical. Let me show you our workshop now, please. This is our workshop. Follow me please. It's a production line of semi-1 syringe pump. Our workers assembly device here. Please find our TFT screen. Some buttons here and TFT here. Will install later. We've assembled the device and will stick the keypad later. Please see. Our workers do pressure adjusting here, and this is our working station. This is our detection line of syringe pump. And this is our detection line of infusion pump. This is our detection line of some fusion series syringe pump we could see. We do pressure test here. And we need to fill the inspection report. One item by another item to fill in all report. Okay. It's internal feeding pump detection line and high flow laser cannula detection line. And this device are in testing by this detection line. Please see. Please find our BiPAP detection line here. Our workers do pressure rechecking. Please find.